guys, happy plant day. Today we have a super fun video. We are doing some giveaways of some gift cards for our website. So I will go over all that kind of middle end of the video. But first I wanted to give you some fun ideas of bundles that you could get of different categories of plants. And then I'll tell you how to win the gift cards. Okay, so we are in our greenhouse 1. It is busting at the seams. We can barely walk. But first, I wanted to tell you of a category of plants that is great for pollinator attractors. So bees, hummingbirds, butterflies, all the fun pollinators. We're going to stop right here by our new to us this year, new to proven winners, is the Totally Tempted Frosted Violets Kufia. Look how gorgeous that is. That is going to attract hummingbirds like crazy. So this is a really good one, as well as Vermillionaire. This is one that is a staple that people get. It got a little damaged by the frost, but that'll heal quickly and it'll grow just fine. But the hummingbirds love those long reddish orangish tubes that they can collect the nectar out of. It's just amazing. Like, it's one thing to say it, but when you start seeing like real hummingbirds fly through and you can hear them and you can see them landing on your plants, it is just so fun. So that is great for that. If we go next door here to the Pink Picotee Gara, this one is so wonderful for butterflies, all the pollinators, but they love the sweet little flowers. I think it's also called the butterfly plant. Right behind me is jazzberries. So any Supertunia that has a really vibrant, bold flower, the hummingbirds, all the bright colors attract all of the pollinators, so they love that. I'm gonna stop here by our new dahlias, the dwarf dahlias. We have the Pinkerific and the Rad Raz, and I had dahlias in my garden last year, and the bees were just buzzing and all around the blooms, and it was just amazing to see all the food that they were able to gather from those. We go over here, we have the Coral Toucan Canna, which are just tropical and beautiful in their own way, but they are a pollinator attractor. Hummingbirds, butterflies all love this plant so much. Okay, we also have the Suncredible sunflowers. Those are just screaming for the pollinators. They love these so much. You'll see all of the little bees and butterflies buzzing around those. Okay, we popped over to greenhouse 2. Looks the same as greenhouse 1. Lots of plants, but I wanted to show you a bundle or collection of plants that is really good for heat tolerant. So if it's just hot all the time where you are, we're in the south and we get a lot of heat, we get a lot of humidity. So I want to show you my favorite plants. There's some bees buzzing through the greenhouse tunnel. That's so fun. So I want to show you my favorite plants that I feel like are low maintenance and they can tolerate and be bullet plants through that high heat. Okay, so we're still in the same place. I'm going to mention the Plain the Blue Salvia is very heat tolerant. It grows kind of like a big bush. It can handle the high temperatures really well, and it's really hardy. So that one is a solid staple plant for that. And this one, they just love those stalks with those little tubular tiny flowers on them. And you'll see the pollinators all around those, which is so awesome. They have clean sources of all their nectar to get and beautiful flowers as well to enjoy. Okay, we have the Campfire Marshmallow Bidens. This is a beast of a plant. Last year we had huge mounds of this. It got so big and it was just covered with these beautiful white daisy-like flowers, and it didn't require hardly anything from us. We did have it on automatic sprinkler, but you don't have to spray anything natural on it for bugs. We didn't have to fertilize it if we didn't want to. And it was just very low maintenance and the heat was beating on it all the time. I loved it. The Scaevola is always known for a tough plant in the heat when it's beating down really hot. Stardiva Blue is going to be gorgeous. So that's a fun one you could get for a heat tolerant plant. Okay, we are at Cleome. We have this year the white one, the Blanca, and the Senorita Rosalita, the purple one. I don't know why I have never heard of this plant before a couple years ago. This is phenomenal. It creates a bush. It's kind of like the hardiness of the salvia, and it just keeps going and going when other things are tired and just done from the heat. So this one just is very tough, and it doesn't need the fertilizer or sprays as well. Just if you don't want to, you can give it to it, but These are just rock solid plants in the heat. I love it. Okay, lantana. The lantana makes a beautiful bush as well. This is the Royal Lemon Tart, and it has these beautiful yellow flowers on it. The pollinators love this one as well, and it does so well. I think I could say it for all of them. They just are really hardy. They don't need a lot, and they don't look like they're falling apart. Sometimes other ones get a little tired. So this one is so great for the heat. We also have purple, the luscious grape. Let's see, we have the Royal Cosmo, which is a beautiful color. I think that's it for the lantanas, but this one is wonderful. Next to it is the Blew My Mind Volvulus, and this one is known for dry heat, but it does well for us too. Blew My Mind XL Evolvulus, and this one is really, really good for high heat. All right, we are by the Surefire Rose Begonias. Any of the Surefire ones do really well, and I feel like all the ones that are kind of heat tolerant also are the ones that fall into low maintenance, and this one does really, really well in the high heat, and it's very low maintenance. Okay, look at these little cuties. These are the Lemon Coral Sedum. These are kind of the equivalent of a high heat item because they're almost succulent like they hold the water and moisture in their leaves, so they do really well in the heat as well. And then I can't reach it, but the coffee cups right there grow into these huge 6, 7, 8 foot tall plants that they're meant for the tropics, so they do really well in the heat, and they just keep going. They don't show any signs of stress. Okay, another fun idea for plants are the kind of like big bang for your buck, and the Super Vista bubblegum is always top category for that because it grows all by itself like 3-4+ feet, and it just makes this huge circle and huge mound, and it's just full and covered with blooms. So you want to look for any Supertunia Vista. The Vista series is what makes those plants really, really big. Okay, now for all the fun details for the giveaway. So we are giving away 2 $50 gift cards and a $100 gift card from our website, SetApartFarmandGardensShipNow.com, so that you can get all the fun plants that you want. When you get your gift card, we'll give you a code for free shipping as well, so you don't have to pay for the shipping. So yeah, there'll be 2 $50 gift cards, and then there'll be a $100 gift card. With the $100 gift card, we are also going to give you one of the Power Planter Augers that is 12 inches by 3 inches. It is the auger that you use to plant the Proven Winners annuals or quartz, and you can get them in the ground easily and get just tons of mass planting done. So we're so excited. 2 $50 gift cards, one $100 gift card with that Power Planter Auger for you guys. And all you need to do to win is to like this video, please subscribe to our channel, Set Apart Farm and Gardens Homestead, and then let us know in the comments what fun plants that you would get, what you would pick out, or what categories you're thinking of. If you want to share this with your family and friends, that would be awesome so that they can get the love on the plants as well. So we hope you enjoyed this fun video. We wanted to share our beautiful flowers and plants with you guys. Happy winning! Bye!